Izole to Africa, Izole to beautiful Azanians. Welcome to the Azanian podcast right here on TikTok. We're also available Africa on YouTube. He is the recipient of the Order of the Boab in silver, receiving it this year in May 2026. He overcame poverty, racism, and a system that was designed to limit him. Professor Patrick Mokhobo, to become one of Azania's most celebrated medical doctors and pioneers in the medical field. Starting school much later than his peers at only the age of 10 years. He worked the farms, herded cattle and oxen, worked at golf courses to make an extra buck. He would not know that those circumstances would shape him to become the man today we celebrate and we honor so much and we look up to as Azanians. Africa, a local businessman read an article in the newspapers about a young man, a young boy, who wanted or had dreams of becoming a doctor. And that local businessman in Potchefstroom would support his medical dream and his education. And he would become an only student at Wits in 1953 in his medical class, the only black student. He entered places where the system never expected him and wanted him to be part of. He qualified in 1957 and became the first black registrar in pediatrics and internal medicine at Baragwanath Hospital. In 1973, he had become Southern Africa's first black cardiologist. His work extended from Davidton in Soweto to Eswatini and Lesotho, and he would train doctors, support nurses, and participate in drafting healthcare policies. He worked until the age of 86. The same that was done for him, he has done for his fellow men in South Africa. He formed a foundation. He educated those who had dreams and aspirations in the medical field, leaving a lasting legacy of service to Africa and using education as a means of service for his people. We too here honor Africa, the Professor Patrick Mokhobo. We salute him and we continue to say to the black child,